Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Coros application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Coros application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And in the Bluetooth menu you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see Coros Apex Pro. Find it and then tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, you can go back to the main page of settings. Here you can scroll down, find the Coros application on the list of apps. Once you find it, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and you can also enable the notifications. So you can tap on notifications and tap on the switch to enable the allow notifications. It's not required, but you can do it if you want. Okay, and once you're done with the settings, close them, and now we can open the Coros application on our iPhone. This paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you will see the progress page. Now let's tap on profile, and here you should see your Apex Pro. Tap on it to select it. Here find the option called notifications and tap on it. And here we can enable or disable the notifications by tapping on the switch. Once you enable them, you will see a couple options. As you can see, we have calls, text messages, email, and then a list of apps. Basically what we can do is to enable and disable the notifications for specific features and apps. And how it works is, if you enable the notifications for a specific feature or app and then receive the notification on your iPhone from that app or the feature, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And if you disable it, right here, you will see only the notification on your iPhone, and that notification won't be forwarded to your watch. So that's how it works. So customize this to your liking, enable or disable the notifications for the features or apps you like, and then you can tap on save. Another thing to mention is, if you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on your watch right here on this list, you will need to enable the others option right here at the bottom. Once you enable this option, it will enable notifications for all of the apps on your iPhone that are not on this list, basically, right here. Okay, and once you're done, like I said before, tap on save, and then you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We should get it now, but let me actually turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, turn it off quickly, and check if we are logged in on Discord. Yes, we are. Okay, so let's try again. We got it. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.